Shred cabbage, bake ham slices, then make fried egg. I break the egg into separate dish beforehand so that I can make a good shape. Oil the pan and put egg. Fry the egg as you like. I like sunny side up. Put rice on bowl. Put shredded cabbage. Season it with mayonnaise, salt and pepper. Put ham. Then put fried egg. Pour Worcestershire sauce. You can use soy sauce too. First, let's prepare toppings. Minced green onion and cut nori seaweed into small pieces. Oil the pan. I use sesame oil this time. Fry the egg as you like. Next, I will mix butter with cooked rice. It's very tasty when you mix butter rice with soy sauce and fried egg. Put the rice in the bowl. Sprinkle dried Bonito flakes. Put soy sauce and fried egg, minced green onion, and nori seaweed. Add the rest of dried Bonito flakes. Please add more soy sauce when eating. First, let's cut cherry tomato to make salad. Of course, you can use normal tomato. Next, make a cutting sausage. And bake it until brown. While baking sausage, let's finish salad. Wash baby leaf lettuce. Put it in bowl with cherry tomato. Season them with rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil. Start to combine. Next, I make fried egg. Oil the pan and fry the egg as you like. Put rice on bowl. Put salad, fried egg, and sausage. First, chop spinach. And boil in plenty of water because Japanese spinach has harsh taste. Please skip boiling step if you use baby spinach. Drain water using a colander. Slice bacon and saute the bacon. Add boiled spinach. Add butter. And soy sauce. Start to combine. Next, I make fried egg. Oil the pan and fried egg as you like. Put rice on bowl. Put bacon and spinach on top. Then put fried egg. First, I'm gonna make hollandaise sauce. Melt butter in microwave. Prepare egg yolk. Mix it with mayonnaise, butter, salt and pepper, and soy sauce. Stir to combine. Next, I make fried egg. Oil the pan. I tried to make steamed one. I wanted it to look like a poached egg in Eggs Benedict, but ended up with making over easy egg. Bake the bacon until crisp. Put rice on bowl. Put bacon and fried egg on top. Then pour the sauce and sprinkle parsley. First, I'm gonna make fried egg. Oil the pan. I use sesame oil. Next, let's prepare natto. Put the sauce and crush it. Stir until sticky. Next, wash avocado. Cut it in half. And dice it. I use half of them. Now I can just dish up. Put fried egg, natto, kimchi, and avocado. I like to put mayonnaise and soy sauce when eating. If you like a lighter taste, please eat it as it is.